With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Calculate the number of moles of NH4Cl that should be added to 1 liter of 1 molar NH4OH to prepare buffer solution with pH 9. So we have to find the buffer solution. Now what is this buffer solution? These are solutions which resist the change in pH. Now this is your weak base. This is your weak base, and weak base are those which dissociate partially, not completely. The completely one, the base or the acid which dissociate completely, that is known as the strong one. So here this NH4OH, it is the weak base, so it will get dissociate like this. If it gets the H plus, let's say in water what we are having, H plus OH minus. So what it forms? It forms the NH4 positive and H2O. Now it is base, that's why it is accepting the H plus. Why so? Because base are those which accept the H plus and your acid are those which loses H plus. So that's why it accept the H plus. Now in the solution what we are having? We are also having your NH4Cl. It is saying that this is number of moles we need to find. So here what we do, so what is left in water? This OH minus, so this will accept by this and then form NH4OH and Cl minus. Now if you see, this is the forming if your weak base and the salt of strong acid. This is your salt of strong electrolyte, or you can say strong acid also. So if you see that here what will happen, this is forming the weak base and this is forming the NH4 positive. So there is no change in the solution. Also you can see it over here that if your NH4OH dissociate, what it will form? NH4 positive and here OH minus. This is feebly ionized. Why so? Because it is weak. After that what we are having? NH4Cl. What it form? NH4 positive, because it is a strong, so it will dissociate completely. This is completely ionized. Now if you see, this is common ion effect. This is common. Now if the product is increasing, then reaction will move to backward direction according to your Le-Chatelier principle. So what we can say, there is no change in the pH. So this is what your buffer works. Now what we have given in the question, so we have given this pH and we have a formula, that is POH, which is equal to here the pKb plus log concentration of your salt upon concentration of your base. So what we need to find? We need to find the number of moles. So POH, and we know your pH plus POH gives you 14. The sum is equal to 14 and pH, that is 9. So POH can be calculated easily. That is POH, it comes out to be 5. Now let's put it over here. Your pKb, the value of Kb is given. Now we have to change it. So your pKb, which is equal to minus of log Kb. So to find this, we are Kb, so we have to put minus log 2 into 10 to the power minus 5. So your pKb value is this. This is your pKb. Now solve this. This is your minus log 2 plus log 10 to the power minus 5. This is minus log 2. This minus will come in front and we know log base 10 is 1. So after solving this, this is your minus 0.030 and here we have 5. So after solving this, now this will comes out to be 4.6989. Now we can put it over here, that is 4.6989 plus log, what is your salt that is given in the question, that is your NH4Cl concentration, and your base, that is your NH4OH, that is given in the question, the concentration, that is 1 molar itself. Now what we have to do, let's take it over here, that is 4.6989 plus log, we need to find this, the number of moles of this. So after calculating, here we are, this is equal to, not this is equal to, this is your equal to Now we need to find this. After subtracting this, you will get 0.301029, which is equal to log NH4Cl. Now this concentration of NH4Cl, this log has to be removed. This is 10 to the power 0.301029. So after solving this will comes out to be 1.999, which is equal to, we can proportional to 2. Now what we have to do, this is your concentration and your molarity, this is number of moles divided by volume of solution in liter. So that must be in liter. That is given in the question. That is, here it is 1 liter. So it is number of moles that is given in the question. We need to find the number of moles, not in the given in the question. The volume itself is the given, that is 1, which is equal to the concentration we have find it from here, that is 2. So what we can say, the number of moles, this is the required answer. The number of moles comes out to be 2. So the correct option, that is D option, will be your right answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.